YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Lady Junior coming at you with another banger video. As y'all do know, I did install a Tesla screen in my Mustang, my SM197. As y'all seen, the car is pretty much stock inside it. Like, it does have the carbon fiber, and I'm like, all right. I like carbon fiber. I feel like nice little touches like that to the inside, it just makes the car look super luxurious. But I don't really like too much things that look like fake carbon. It's just not my style. I like real carbon, bro. Like the pattern, we can tell who's having it and who's not having it just by the way the carbon look. Like if it look too fake, it just don't look good in my opinion. But if the carbon is fake and it look real, we can let you have that, my boy. We can let you have that. I'm juiced. I've been wanting this for my car for a while because I just feel like it's gonna take the interior to the next level. Hello. Okay, so y'all know that is the inside trim. This piece is made by True Fiber, and they got dope ass shit, bro. Hoods, fenders, everything you think is carbon fiber, they got it. We're gonna be putting that on the car right now and see how it looks. And I got a couple other things I'm gonna add to the car just because, bro, it's time. This car needs a different look. I don't like having my car look like everybody else's, like regular traffic. So it might be time to wrap the car. We just gotta finish up a couple last things to the car to get it where I want to be at so we can wrap it. Oh yeah, we got the Mustang in the garage now. Toro. How y'all feel about the name Toro? I think Toro goes good with the car. I feel like it fits the car. Or drop a name down you think I should name the car. But for now, we're going with Toro. All right. This is gonna look crazy in the center console. As y'all know, carbon fiber is super strong, so I don't really got any problems with it. I just hope I don't break any clips because once you break a clip, you're done for. You already know how this goes. As y'all can see, this is a stock one beforehand. It don't look bad, y'all. I really do like the look of it, but I feel like I need something to match the carbon fiber that's on the dash pad. And this is gonna match it because this is real carbon fiber. It is not no fake lay-on vinyl kit. It is real deal carbon fiber, and it's just gonna look crazy, my boy. We're not gonna do anything more carbon fiber. I feel like that's gonna be a last straw. We're gonna do this, that. Watch me do the whole interior carbon fiber. No, I'm just playing. We're not doing that. I feel like it looks tacky. Too much carbon fiber just looks tacky. To install it, it should be quick. Literally just pop this out. The only hard part is gonna be probably the shifter boot and these buttons. But if you've seen the video before this of the install on this, then you already know how I do it, my boy. I'm still gonna show y'all in this video, but just very quick. Not really gonna talk about it. And let's see the before and after. Sheesh. Tight shit. This shit really is just that simple. And I break it, I'll be sick, boy. Yeah, just like that. Easy money, my boy. My boy. And just like that, she is out. We gotta take off the last shift boot and the cup holder. And lastly, the sensor that's for like the traction control and all that. Popping the traction control should be hella easy. Literally just push this button in on both sides, click them through. Boom, step one done. We're gonna leave it out there for safekeepings. Size is gonna be, shit, whatever you got at home, my boy, because I don't know. Watch me taking off all the wrong bolts. They gotta be sick. All right. Nah, it's coming off. This is for sure the right thing. See, this is a sign of God that you're doing right in life. When you can take the cup holder off on your GT Mustang. So this is gonna get stuck to the stock one on the car. You need to file these down and 3M them onto the new True Carbon Fiber center console. I don't got a file on me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to just break off the little plastic rivets, I think they are. With just like, I'm gonna just try to break them off. I mean, they're gonna get taped on anyway, so we don't have a Dremel. I was gonna see how close we can get with this, but this is literally like for cutting like metal, sheet metal and all that. And it was just, it wasn't gonna be a good idea. I'm down for sketchy shit, but that was just too sketchy. So we're gonna literally break the tabs off because they are plastic, luckily. Piece completely off. We're literally gonna put some 3M tape all above this, apply it to the carbon fiber one, and then everything should be plug and play right after that. Mind you, this is aftermarket, so shit is not always gonna fit how it's supposed to fit. You gotta make it kind of, you gotta play with it a little bit. And we are in. Everything is good. Flush. Cup holder opens and closes. Damn it, boy. That shit looks crazy. This is a perfect touch. This is enough carbon fiber for me. I do not need anything else. But let me know what y'all think. Y'all think it's too much? Y'all think it's perfect? Y'all think, is it worth the price of getting real carbon fiber versus fake carbon fiber? Because, pull the camera in. You can tell the difference, man. It just looks a lot more high quality. You know what I'm saying? Especially when you got the car, when you got the touchscreen on. The light, the way it just shimmers off it, I think is 100% worth it. Bruh, this shit looks insane. It looks a lot better. Just imagine driving this at night. These are alright. These and the yellow markers, they're cool. But I got some blacked out ones that are gonna look a lot better on this car, in my opinion, because the orange just looks super stock. The car looks like every other car. I don't like that. I do gotta pull the bumper off, so let's see how this shit goes. Alright, wish me luck. Alright. All the clips are off. Now we're gonna pull the top. Actually, we got 2 clips on the corners. Can I get the tool, please? Thank you. Oh, look. First day on the job. You just pick it up with your toe? That was kind of cool. Now, we go for the 2.
Ew.
What?
¿Qué tú haces?
Thinking. We got both bolts on both sides. Top side. Now we gotta go under. Ain't going nowhere. God damn, I gotta do all that? Oh, hell no. All right, low key a hassle, but the bumper is off. Everything's off. We're gonna remove these 2 bolts, put the lights on both sides, and then get to removing these. All right, y'all, so it is a complete brand new day. Didn't get to finish the car off yesterday because it got super late, but all the wiring is done. All else needed is to throw the bumper on. I'm gonna show you the wiring real quick. Relays, fuse and relays all wired up. Ran to the back. One light input. Second light input. Looks clean. Can't really talk too much. I wish I could run this wire somewhere else, but coyotes are literally like, bro, there's nowhere you can hide it. You have to run it this way. It's wired to the ignition. On, off. Turn the ignition off. Comes right off too. That's what you want, so it doesn't kill your battery. You want to have it on ignition, not constant power. You can have some shit on constant power if you're gonna have like a good battery, but this is how I'm doing it, my boy. If you want to do like that, my boy, you can do like that, my boy. All right, y'all. I know it's a new scene. I know I got a different fit on, but I had to finish the car up, so we do got to make it to the wrap shop. We're here at Exclusive Wraps in Stockton, California. So if you need any wraps done, any decals done, these are gonna be your guys. Just you know the address, right? Exclusive Wraps. But y'all ready to see it? Damn it, boy. It's a lot better, my boy. We cannot forget. Come on, my boy. Can't forget the carbon fiber. So we are gonna get Legacy blasted on the side of this car. I feel like it looks super aggressive. We're gonna go with a crazy ass font. So we're about to go in right now. I'm gonna go talk to him, see what's up, see what we can get done today, because it is kind of late. But I want this done on the car. I feel like it's gonna look really aggressive with that on, and it's just gonna add way more to the car. Look at it, bro. So something like this. So probably above this line, just say Legacy in like a crazy font. Nice font. And,
I think from here to here is
yeah, correct.
Let me take pictures of it.
Oh, good.
I'll have them off the truck.
Y'all already know where to come to, man. Exclusive Wraps. I'll leave the address down below so y'all know where to come to. But these guys did my decals on my truck. They did my decals on pretty much every car.
Like a high-end vinyl, I'll probably go with Tech Wrap. Their finish is really good. Tech Wrap, the material is a little thicker, so you get a little bit more protection than a regular film like 3M.
Okay.
Also,
God, these colors are hitting. It's too blue, huh? I feel like it's too blue. It's giving too much. I need more like a white, like a gray chrome. Something that's gonna pop.
It's just we can put any print, any color, any design you want. But you see the color print on this thing?
That's a different color from the one that I was looking at, right?
Yeah, not for the wrap, just for
The decal itself?
Why, did you paper already?
Yeah, correct.
I'm gonna text you and send me the photos of the examples you showed me.
Okay.
We're gonna try to match that or something similar to it.
Okay.
If you don't like it still, we'll get you on a Google call, like a Zoom call with our designer,
Okay.
and you and him go back and forth on the fonts.
That's perfect.
So we don't waste your time back and forth, okay?
Oh, we can get everything knocked out at one time. Okay. So we got the color decided, and we got the business talking about the car's new color. I'm Juice. I can't tell you exactly what we're waiting for, but the color is gonna be coming on this car. As far as right now, we're just gonna do the decals. And we can't blast the logo of Legacy Junior on the shit because we're doing not hood rat stuff, but you know, things that aren't legal. We can't be having that stuff on it. So I'll get to y'all when we get to the crib, but for now, we out. Right now it's just park, bro.
Oh man, pull up and park. You ain't making a video. What that thing do?
Alright. So then I'll see y'all when we get to the crib. Yeah. So we were supposed to get the car done, finished and everything, but the wrap is not in the store yet or not in stock yet. So we're gonna be waiting on that. So with that being said, the video is gonna end here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. We are almost at 5K, y'all. That's crazy. That's literally crazy. But it's your boy Legacy Junior. I'm out. Till next time. Peace.